Welcome, Wealthy Partners. Let me take you through the Wealthy app step by step. Whether it's setting up your profile or exploring a wide range of products, I'll guide you through everything. Once you log in, you'll land on the main home dashboard. Here's what you'll see at glance. Quick actions. Instantly access key features like new MF proposal, top funds, posters for client engagement, my business dashboard, and so much more. Right below quick actions, you'll find the live chat support option.
For personalized support, your RM details are accessible from your profile.
Just click on it for real-time assistance anytime you need. Stay informed with Bullseye and Money Order, your go-to sources for market newsletters exclusive for wealthy partners. You can also explore mutual funds, insurance, and our Learn with Wealthy section to upskill yourself. Before we move on further, let's set up your business profile. Click on Profile icon on the main dashboard. You can also use the Smart Search to find your profile. Here you'll find your digital visiting card, monthly updated product brochure, client onboarding link, details of relationship managers, and more.
Not just that, now you can create your own personalized client onboarding page. To get started, tap on Branding in Profile section. Choose the language you want your branding page to appear in. You can even set it as default, so your clients always see it in that language. Now, fill in your business details, like your name, mobile number, WhatsApp number, tagline, address, and location. Next, create a bio using Wealthy AI. Just type in a few keywords, tap Generate, and your bio is ready in seconds. Upload logo of your business, and if you don't have one, just tap the information icon to generate one instantly. Then, upload your profile picture. Once everything looks good, tap Save as Draft. Preview your client onboarding page. And if you're happy with it, hit Save and Publish. That's it. Your branding page is live.
Once your profile is set, you're all set to maximize your Wealthy Partner app experience. To explore a wide range of investment products, go to the store from the home dashboard and select the desired product. Let's take mutual funds as an example. You'll find the top-rated funds, NFOs, curated MF baskets, and more. Click on a scheme, hit Continue, select a client, enter SIP or one-time details, and share the proposal instantly. You can track all proposals in the Proposal tab under In Process and Completed sections. You can also delete proposals when required. Not just that, you can monitor your entire business in one place using My Business Dashboard, available under Quick Actions. The revenue sheet in My Business Dashboard provides a detailed breakdown of the earnings you have generated through Wealthy. To access it, on the dashboard, you'll find your and your team's AUM categorized across different asset classes like equity, debt, and more. Tap on Revenue to view earnings for yourself and your team. You can track revenue month-wise or for any custom period. For a deeper analysis, check revenue product-wise or by its type. Scrolling down, you'll find detailed insights into your clients, mutual fund details, SIP books, business opportunities, and active trading clients. You can also check the tracker of clients who have synced external investments. Here is a small tip. You can easily switch external investment using the switch button and add to your AUM. This helps you stay on the top of your performance and plan your next steps efficiently.
Now let's dive deep into business reports. Access 5 business reports right under Quick Actions.
To attract and retain clients, Wealthy app offers powerful tools like posters and other marketing materials. Use language-customized posters with your details. Easily share them on WhatsApp, social media, or status updates. By combining business tracking, marketing tools, and data-driven reports, you get a full-circle approach to growing your MF distribution business. To ensure you never miss key updates, we have daily market updates right in your Stories section. And we also host exclusive Wealthy webinars where you will get market insights, investment trends, and expert strategies to grow your business. Don't miss on them. And that's a wrap on Wealthy app walkthrough. With everything from smart business tracking to client engagement tools, Wealthy app is designed to help you scale with ease. Start exploring today and make the most of the platform.